Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizka Emilianti. On this occasion, I will present a very important thing for us to observe and study together, namely language change. What is language change? Language change is phenomenon in which the appearance and use of language change over time. Sound change, lexical change, semantic change, and synthetic change are indeed examples of language change. 4 points are the ways to make language change. First, code switching or code mixing. It's a transition from one language to the next. It's when a speaker or writer switches from one language or dialect to another while adhering to the grammatical rules of both language. Second, pidgin is a variation that arises from contact between two groups of people who speak different languages and do not share a common language. It has limited vocabulary and a strange forward structure and no native speaker. Third is Creole. It's the evolution of the pidgin language. Creole is a more complex version of pidgin when it becomes the native language of a group of speakers, expanded and deepened. The last is diglossia. It has something to do with multilingual or bilingual societies. It has the coexistence of two languages or dialect. One is a prestigious variety language, while the other is a non-prestigious variety language. The notion of speech community. A speech community is a group of people who share linguistic norms and live in the same society. Villages, towns, and countries may all have this group. They can also be groups and friends or communities with common interests, hobbies, or lifestyle. At the level of vocabulary, phonology, and syntax, common linguistic features can be found. Community isolation is the type of behavior that occurs when members of a single community interact only with one another. The structure of the relationship between groups is defined by social class, which classifies people according to their education, occupation, and income. The following are the most important characteristics of social class. First, power, wealth, and prestige. Over prestige, it is the explicit use of an variety. For example, in Algerian societies, the academic French is used is seen as a symbol of prestige high profile. When a non-standard form of language is thought to be prestigious, it is referred to as cover prestige. For instance, in their song, a French rapper used talk words, barrier and distance. The spread of linguistic features throughout society may be hampered by social stratification barriers. And what is the definition of social stratification? Is the term that refers to any type of hierarchical grouping within a society. Is all my explanation about several language changes. I hope you find it useful and thank you for your time.